Hi and welcome back. Today's video showcases of this 2013 Audi A4 Saloon S-Line. This is the 2-litre petrol turbocharged version. Very popular and quite scarce to find with Quattro all-wheel drive and also the S-Tronic automatic gearbox. In terms of the condition, it's absolutely fantastic throughout. This is ice silver metallic paint, absolutely spotless. The previous owner has really looked after the car. Fantastic throughout. Really very minimal sort of points to talk about. As you can see, back bumper all in fantastic condition. No loading marks or scratches or anything like that around here. All alloy wheels are in good condition. There's a couple of very small chips just at the very top there. Very slight. And then coming around the front, again all in really nice condition. Just the odd very small stone chip that you'd obviously come to expect, but certainly no dents, no scratches, marks or anything like that at all. Really fabulous condition. Having a look inside the car, again you can just see, just from the way that all of these plastics are in fabulous condition, there's no marks at all on here. Really nice. Half leather with the S-Line embossing on the seats, again all in fantastic condition. No evidence of anybody smoking in here or having any pets or anything like that at all. And again around the back, really fantastic condition. Open the boot. Again, really well cared for. No marks, just the odd tiny little mark on the plastic there, which is unavoidable. But the bumper itself, all fantastic. Coming around to the driver's area, again all plastics in really nice condition. Hardly any wear to the bolster. One of the best we've seen actually. And really beautifully finished throughout. In terms of the specification on this particular car, you have the bi-xenon headlights with the LED running lights. This is the facelift model, which means that you have the newer style headlight on there, the newer style grille, and then they changed the front fog lights from circular items to these sort of partial segment ones here. Also have, because of the xenon headlights, you have the high pressure washers, and then this car has also got front and rear parking sensors as well. Also the S-Line highlights, you have these really nice 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, S-Line badging all around the car, and the side skirts as well. Moving in and just to run through some of the specification highlights. Just starting over here, you have controls for your automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. You have a release button for the boot on here, or it's also done from the key. You just simply press and hold, and the spring system on the boot will open that. Jumping in, and we starter it up. So you have the main MMI screen up here. This is where the controls for the radio, which is digital, as well as having FM, medium wave and long wave, and also the media settings. So you have something called Audi Music Interface, which means that you can connect external devices through a connection in the glove box, download music onto the main system here, and also just sort of access all your playlists and podcasts and all that kind of stuff as well. You also have SD card readers. We just pop this down here. There's 1 and 2 there. It means you can put music files on there and play the music directly from there. You also have a DVD player up front, and a CD as well. So about 4 or 5 different ways of getting music into the car, as well as a digital radio, which we've already covered. You also have satellite navigation. This is full European wide, Really nice system to use, has traffic updates and everything like that as well. But yeah, very simple. You can actually just see from there that it's showing traffic. So quite a good way to avoid that. And like I said, it covers you all the way through Europe as well. Telephone connection here for voice calls, and then you also have a full sort of setup for the car. It's like a control panel really on your computer, so you can come in here and change how everything's set up. So parking system, for instance, you can change the volume or the frequency of the parking sensors, so you know which one is which. Also displays the service interval, so the next oil change is showing as being due in 6,700 miles or 227 days, so way into sort of about 9 months I think, or the next inspection is due 16,000 miles or almost 2 years. This particular car has a full Audi service history, and the last one was quite a major service done by them about 2 or 3 months ago I believe. So yeah, everything else you can set up the controls for your lights, how long you have the headlights stay on for when you get out of the car and lock it. A very handy thing that you get on Audis, which most manufacturers don't have. This is really useful for driving in Europe. If you are taking a right-hand drive car across to Europe, normally you have to put things onto the headlights to convert them for left-hand drive. Basically, all you do when you arrive in France is turn that on, and the headlight control will change to the other side, so that so you don't dazzle oncoming drivers. So really nice feature that for travelling in Europe. In terms of other items in the car, so as we said, we had front and rear parking sensors. This comes up here on the main display as well. So these areas here will light up as you get closer to an object. So very useful. You also have dual zone climate control, which are all set up down here. This is a really nice and easy system to use. And you will also have start-stop technology on here to increase your fuel efficiency. Further options, cruise control, controlled here by the steering wheel, and with the steering wheel itself, it's actually a multi-function item, so you can answer telephones, use voice control, run some of your sat-nav controls, and then you also have paddle shift gear change here as well, which is nice. Down to here, normal automatic, straight down to drive, and then you also have a sport mode, which is one tap further on. I hope you found this video useful. If we can help with any further information, please don't hesitate to contact us through our website, which is influencecars.co.uk, and we'd be more than happy to help you with any questions that you may have. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time.